If you work in business or want to, you need to be able to talk about money clearly and confidently. In this episode, you'll learn 10 essential financial phrases and how to use them in real business situations. Hi, everyone. My name is Mark, and welcome back to another episode from mksenglish.com. Now, let's get started. Word number one, revenue. Revenue means the money a company earns. For example, our revenue increased by 15% this quarter. Here's a quick tip. Revenue is not profit. It's total income before costs. Word number two, profit. Profit is money left over after expenses. For example, we made a profit of $50,000 last month. Number three, expenses. This means money you spend. For example, we need to reduce our expenses to stay competitive. Okay, word number four, budget. A budget is a plan for spending money. Here's the example sentence. We need to stay within budget. You might hear someone say, is this within budget? Okay, word number five, and I hope you're writing some of these words down. Word number five, forecast. Forecast means a prediction about future finances. The example sentence, our sales forecast looks strong for next year. A great way to remember these words would be to do the shadowing technique. This is basically listening and repeating what I say. Okay, word number six, break even. That means no profit and no loss. For example, we expect to break even by the end of the year. Okay, word number seven, cash flow. This is money coming in and going out. An example sentence for this would be, we're having cash flow problems this month. All right, word number eight, cost effective. This means good value for the price. An example sentence, this solution is more cost effective. Number nine, invoice. A bill sent to a customer. For example, I'll send you the invoice today. And lastly, number 10, cut costs. Cut costs means to reduce spending. And the example sentence for that would be, we need to cut costs by 10%. And that's it. That's it for today's lesson. If you want to improve your business English and speak more confidently at work, check out my lessons at mksenglish.com. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more practical English you can use right away. See you next time.